Hello everyone! Since the new Cuphead DLC came out recently, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw one of the new bosses, Mortimer Freeze, from his Snowmonster Phase. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing I did was draw a sketch, and now I'm going to trace over it with a black marker to show you how I did it. So his eyes are basically just two circles with a crescent in them. The crescent is for the edge of his eyes. And I'm just going to color that in black, but leave the edge white. And now I'm going to draw his brow, which are just a few curved lines like that. So now I'm going to start drawing his face, starting with the edge of his smile there. So his smile is kind of like wet snow, and it's dripping on itself. And I'm just gonna quickly color that in black. And there's just a little black circle behind it there. Draw some more details. And now I'm gonna start doing his, well, I guess it's a beard. It's basically just a bunch of little humps coming down from his chin. And now you're just gonna draw some different curves here for the back of his head. And now I'm just gonna draw a little detail in the snow. And now I'm going to start drawing the part where he has the bucket on his head. So the first thing you're going to start drawing is the handle, which under it has a little line there for the actual bucket. And you're just going to draw two straight lines like that, but leave space here for the snow on top of the bucket, which is drawn just like that, a bunch of squiggly curved lines. And that's the face. Here I'm gonna start drawing his right arm, which just starts off with some curved lines like this for the snow. And then he has handcuffs on his arms. And then these are the chains for the handcuffs. And now I'm going to draw his hand, starting with his thumb, and then his fingers, which are just a few humps. And he has 3 fingers. And then 3 little humps like that for the knuckles. And there's the palm of his hand. And there's some details in the snow there. And there's his right hand done. Feel free to pause the video if you need to. And now I'm going to start going on to his left hand. Then again, there's his handcuffs. And now I'm going to start drawing his other hand. It's kind of similar to the other hand. 3 fingers, 1 thumb, just a few humps to draw the fingers. And then the knuckles. And then there's his chest there, with a little button. And just a few wobbly lines there for the arms. And more details in the snow. And now I'm gonna go onto his feet. Just 2 humps like that. Some details in the snow there. A little curve. And then the actual foot is a big curve like that. And his other foot is behind his arm there. And then a bunch of different humps for his back. Some details there. And let me know in the comments if you know what Cuphead boss this music is from. And now I'm gonna draw the chain there. And that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I am going to be doing more Cuphead bosses from the DLC, so if you want to see more of this, it's coming pretty soon. And if there's any character that you want me to draw out next, whether it's Cuphead or whatever else, just let me know in the comments. I know I haven't been doing too many videos lately, but I have a lot planned for the near future. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.